Good afternoon, students. Today we will discuss about your transient response. Okay. Today we will discuss some problem on transient response. Let us see. Suppose we have discussed that inductor does not allow sudden changes of current and capacitor does not allow sudden changes of voltage. Okay. So, if energy storing elements are present in the circuit, then how to solve the transient problem, it is our concern. Okay. So, see here, this is a very good problem. We have already seen that what is the step response of series RL circuit of initial relaxed inductor. Okay. We have also derived the expression for that, and for that we have done the partial fraction, inverse Laplace transform and partial fraction there. Okay. All of you please go through. If you don't understand, go through again and again, then you will get understand. Okay. So see here, this is a question we have to solve today. So one voltage source is there. Okay. Another voltage source is there. This is a beautiful question. All of you please listen carefully here. Suppose there is resistance and inductance is connected here. Okay. Resistance and inductance is connected here. Okay. Suppose this value of resistance is 20 ohm. Okay. And this value of resistance is 1 ohm. Okay. The value of this voltage source is 50 volt. The value of the voltage source is 100 ohm. Suppose this is position 1, this is position 2. Okay. So what is the question here? The question is asked that at t equals to 0, the switch is moved to position number 1. At t equals to 0, the switch is moved to position number 1. Okay. So at t equals to 0, the switch is moved to position number 1. Okay. So what he is asking that find the current. Okay. Find the current at position number 1. Okay. Find the current at position number 1 and at position number 2. Okay. So he is asking find current. Okay. At position number 1 and 2 if one condition is there, if the switch moved to position 2, okay, after t equals to 2.5 micro. Okay, he is telling that initially at t equals to 0, the switch is at position number 1. Okay, after t equals to 0, okay, at position number 1, for t equals to 2.5 microsecond, we have to find the current. Okay, after 2.5 microsecond, the switch is moved from position number 1 to position number 2. So which is moved to position number 1 to position number 2. So we have to find the current at position number 1 and position number 2 simultaneously. Okay. So what is the current at position number 2? What is the current at position number 1? Let us find. Let us find. So once again. Okay. So at question number 1, what is happening? Let us see. It is very very important question. If you understood this, you can solve any problem. After that, after this problem is solved, immediately I will do another problem. Okay. At question number 1, what is happening? So see here, this switch is moved to position number 1 at t equals to 0 second. At t equals to 0 second, this switch is moved to position number 1. So see here, okay, at t equals to 0 second, switch is moved to position number 1. Okay, listen carefully, listen carefully. So when the switch is moved to position number 1 at t equals to 0, okay, so before the switch is closed or moved to position number 1, what is the initial current flowing here? 0. 0, because when the switch is moved to position number 1, okay, that instant is t equals to 0. And what about the initial current before t equals to 0? Is there anything shown here? No. So assume 0, assume 0. So at t equals to 0, the switch is moved to position number 1. When the switch is moved to position number 1, prior to switch moved to position number 1, is there any current flowing through the inductor? No current is flowing through the inductor. So I can say that this is the case for initially relaxed inductor or not. Yes. So we have derived the expression for the current for initially relaxed inductor. What is the expression for that current? Okay, that is the expression we will derive. We have already derived. So what is the initial current here? I L 0 minus equal to 0 ampere. This is the initial current. Okay. So what is the expression of current? We already know that. What is the expression for the current of series RL response of stepped response? This is a step response or notice. Okay, step response of series RL circuit when this inductor is initially relaxed. What is the expression? IUT equals to, okay, you can say that this is the IT for when the switch is at position number 1. ओके, सो आईटी का एक्सप्रेशन क्या है? v डिवाइडेड बाय r होल इनटू 1 माइनस e टू द पावर माइनस r बाय n इनटू k. ओके, दिस इज द एक्सप्रेशन फॉर योर current. ओके, so he is telling in the question that the switch is moved to position number 1 and after t equals to 2.5 microsecond, what is happening? This switch is moved to position number 2. Okay, the switch is, again I am repeating, the switch is moved to position number 1 at t equals to 0 second. But after t equals to 2.5 microsecond, the switch is moved from 1 to 2. From 1 to 2. So for how many seconds the switch is at position number 1? For 2.5 microsecond. Okay. So what is the current at 2.5 microsecond? Calculate this. So I of t at t equals to 2.5 microsecond we need. Okay, what is the voltage here? 50 volt. Question number 1, what is the voltage here? 50 volt. 50 divided by resistance is 20. 1 minus e to the power minus r is equals to 20, l is equals to 1, 2. Okay, so this will be 2.5 into 1 minus e to the power minus 20 into, in place of t, what I have to put? 2.5 microsecond. So 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 6. I will put it. Okay. So what is this value? You will get this value as, okay, you will get this value as 0.9 milliampere, or I can assume this approximately as 1 milliampere. Okay, 1 milliampere I can assume this. Okay, so what is this current? This is the current. Okay, this is the expression for the current. This is the expression for the current at position 1. Okay, because at when the switch is at position 1, okay, prior the switch is connected to position 1, is there any current flowing here? No. The switch is moved to position number 1 at t equal to 0 second. At t equal to 0 second. Prior the switch is connected to position number 1. Prior the switch is connected to position number 1. Is there any current flowing here? No. No initial current is flowing here. So I can put this formula easily. Conveniently I can put this formula. Okay. So this is the expression for the current when the switch is at position number 1. Okay, then what is he is asking? He is asking that from position number 1 to the switch is moved to position number 2 after t equals to 2.5 microsecond. Okay, so after t equals to 2.5 microsecond, the switch is moved from position number 1 to position number 2. After how many seconds it is moved? After 2.5 microsecond, the switch is moved. Okay, so I have to find what is the current, okay, in the circuit after 2.5 microsecond. Okay, so after 2.5 microsecond, what is the current in the circuit when the switch is at position number 1? Okay, why? Because I am finding this because when the switch is moved to position number 1, okay, prior to moving to position number 2, okay, again I am repeating, when the switch is moved from position number 1 to position number 2, okay, before the switch is moving to position number 2, I have to find the initial current or not. Yes, okay, at how much time it is moving to position number 2 before it connected to position number 2, where it was connected in position number 1. Okay, so whatever the current flowing in the circuit at position number 1 will be the initial current at position number 2 or not. Yes, yes. Okay, so what is the current flowing here at position number 1? What is the time instant here? T equals to 2.5 microsecond. Okay, because at 2.5 microsecond the switch is moved here. Okay, so when the switch is moved here, what was its initial position? What was the initial current? Yes. So this 1 milliampere current, okay, is the initial current flowing through the inductor before this switch connected to position number 2. Okay, before the switch is connected to position number 2. Okay, and second. Okay, so this is the thing. So the crux of our discussion is when the switch is at position number 1, what is the initial value of current flowing here? Because when the switch is at position number 1, is before connecting the switch to position number 1, is there any current flowing here? No current flowing here. Then what is the expression of the current when the switch is at position number 1, initially relaxed inductor? This expression. Understood? V by R 1 minus e to the minus R by L t. Got. Then after 2.5 microsecond, the switch is moved from this to this. After t equals to 2.5 microsecond, the switch is moved from this to this. So when the switch is at this position, we have to analyze what is the initial current flowing here. So initially, when the switch is at move to this position, initially the switch is at this position. Okay, so what is the initial current flowing here? This current, this current. Okay, at t equals to 2.5 microsecond, the switch is moved here. Okay, so what was the current at t equals to 2.5 microsecond? Will be the initial current here. Okay, so 1 milliampere current will be the initial current flowing through the inductor before this switch is connected to position number 2. जब ये स्विच पोजीशन नंबर 2 में कनेक्टेड नहीं हुआ था, ये इंडक्टर, ओके, ये इंडक्टर में कितना करंट फ्लो हो रहा था? दिस करंट इज फ्लोइंग इन दैट इंडक्टर. ओके, सो ये इंडक्टर, ये स्विच जब पोजीशन नंबर 2 पे आएगा, सो व्हाट वाज द इनिशियल करंट फ्लोइंग हियर? 1 milliampere. Understood? Okay, if you not understood, please re-watch the video. Please re-watch the video. Okay, you can understand. Okay, so 1 milliampere will be the initial value of current flowing through this inductor when the switch is moved here. Okay, when the switch is not here, what is the current here? What's the initial current for this position? Understood? Yes. So now we have to calculate. What is the initial current so at the position number 1 we have calculated what is the current. That is the current is 50 divided by 20 whole into 1 minus e to the power minus 20 into t. Therefore the PDF, therefore the PDF. Okay. So at the position at t equals to 2.5 microsecond, switch is moved to position number 2. So at t equals to, okay, so at t equals to 2.5 microsecond, what was the current flowing initially? 1 milliampere. We have derived. Okay, in place of t, put 2.5 microsecond. Okay. So when the switch is at position number 2, what was the initial current flowing through the inductor? 1 milliampere. Okay. So जब वो 2 में था, okay, जब वो 2 पे कनेक्ट हुआ, okay, previously it was connected to 1. Okay, when it was connected to 1, what was the time stamp where it is disconnected from 1 and connected to 2? 2.5 microsecond. Okay, so when it is connected to 2, here, what was the time stamp? T equal to 2.5 microseconds. So at t equals to 2.5 microseconds, just before switching, just before the switch connected to 2. Okay, just before switching, it was connected here. What was the current? 1 milliampere. Okay, so this is the thing. So initial current is 1 milliampere. So okay, so follow the procedure. So when the switch is at position number 2, initial current is 1 milliampere. Okay, once again. Yes. Okay, so initially when the current switch is at position number 2, the initial current is 1 milliampere. Okay, so you have to put here KVL in the next step. Suppose this is I2 of t. Okay, so put KVL here. So next step may you have to, first this is step 1. Okay, step 2 may you have to put KVL. Step 2 you have to put KVL. What is the KVL here? Okay, so current is flowing in this direction. Okay, so this is a passive element, current is entering from this side. So entering point will be positive, this is negative. So entering from this side, so entering point will be positive, this is negative, this is also positive, this is negative. Okay, so what will be the equation? Minus 100 into ut, okay, equals to 20 I2 t plus 1 L di by dt, 1 into d I2 t divided by. Okay, so now you have to use, okay, put this to this side. Okay, you will get, I'm sorry, this is plus, okay, equal to 0. Okay, by putting KVL, put this to this side, you will get what? 100 u of t equals to 20 I2 t plus 1 d I2 t divided by. This is the thing. Okay, so now what I have to do? I have to do the inverse Laplace transformation. Sorry, I have to do the Laplace transformation of this function. Okay, so using Laplace transformation, what I have to do? Okay, using Laplace transformation of this function, because this is a first order differential equation. Okay, differential term is present here. In order to solve it mathematically with less integrative analysis of mathematical tools, okay, I have to convert this linear differential equation into algebraic form by using Laplace transformation. Okay, Laplace transformation is a tool which converts the linear differential equation, okay, into algebraic form. Okay, suppose यहाँ पे तुम्हारा one energy storing element is there. So what is the order of the equation, order of the system here? Order is 1 here. Okay, so if there is two energy storing element, order will be 2 here, second order. Okay, अगर 3 होगा third order. Okay, तो higher order के लिए to solve the higher order differential equation, it is very difficult. Okay, so if you can able to do the Laplace transformation of this equation, then you can find it easily. Okay, so what is the Laplace transformation of this? 100 divided by s equals to 20, sorry, 20 into I2s plus 1 into, what is the Laplace transformation? This s into I2s minus IL. ओके, तो इनिशियल करंट फ्लोइंग है, यहाँ पे इनिशियल करंट का मतलब तुमको समझ में आएगा, व्हाट इज द होल ऑफ इनिशियल करंट. ओके, सो सी हियर. ओके, आई एम ड्राइंग दिस. Yes. So see here. So this is 100 divided by s equals to 20 I2s plus s into I2s minus. Okay, what is the initial current flowing here? 1 milliampere, 1 milliampere. So 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. Okay, 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, if you will solve this, you will get. Okay, you have to separate I2s here by doing some mathematical calculation. You have to separate I2s here. Okay, after separating I2, I have already calculated here. You please do the separation. Okay, after separating, I am getting 100 divided by 3 plus 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by s plus 20. S plus 20. Okay, so finally I will get. Okay, this is not 3 here, this is s. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, so at last expression I will get 100 plus 10 to the power minus 3 into s. Okay, divided by s whole into s plus 1. S whole into s plus 1. So this is the expression for your I2s. So what I am doing here, I will do partial fraction of this. Okay, I will do partial fraction of this. Let us see. Okay, so what is I2s here? Okay, I2s here. I2s equals to 100. Okay, plus 10 to the power minus 3 into s divided by s whole into s plus 1. Okay, what is the meaning of partial fraction? Let us see. I will divide this total function into two sub functions, a by s plus b divided by s plus 1. Okay, let us find a. Similarly, you can find b. Okay, let us find a. What is the denominator of a? S. Multiply s into this. Okay, multiply s into this. S into this. This मतलब ये expression. Multiply s into I2s. What is the expression for I2s? This. So 100 plus 10 to the power minus 3 into s divided by s whole into s plus 20. S के जगह पे you have to put 0 because only s is there. Okay, so equate s equal to 0 only. काम खत्म. So s will be cancelled out. Put s equals to 0. Okay, यहाँ पे put x equal to 0. A will get here 5. Okay, A will get here 5. So what is b here? Let us find b. Please practice it. Please practice it. Then you can understand. So let us find b here. How to find b here? What is the denominator of b here? S plus 20. Multiply s plus 20 with I2s. What is I2s? This 100 plus 10 to the power minus 3 into s divided by s into s plus 20. So in place of s, what you have to write? So put to s plus 2 or equate s plus 20 with 0. Okay. So equate s plus 20 equals to 0. So what you put in place of 20? Sorry, in place of s minus 20. Minus 20. Okay. So put s equals to minus 20. Okay, s plus 20 will be cancelled out. 100 plus plus 10 to the power minus 3 into minus 20 divided by minus 20. Okay, so you will get minus 5. Okay, so what is a is equal to plus 5, what is b is equal to minus 5. Once again, yes. Okay, so a is equal to plus 5, b is equal to minus 5. Okay, so see here, so a is equal to 5 by s plus minus 5 divided by s plus 20. Okay, it will be okay. So what is the inverse Laplace transform of I to s, I to t, I to t? Okay, so see here, suppose Laplace transformation of I to t equals to I to s. Okay, so what is I to t here? I to t equals to Laplace inverse of I to s. Okay, so this is the thing. So what is the Laplace inverse of I to s? Okay, what is the Laplace inverse of I to s? I to t. Okay, so what is I to t? What is the Laplace inverse of 1 by s? Ut. Ut. So 5 ut plus, oh sorry, minus 5. Okay, what is the Laplace inverse of 1 minus s plus 20? Okay, therefore Laplace inverse e to the power minus 20t. Okay, ut. Okay, so put common 5 here. Ut is equals to 1 for t is greater than equals to 0. Okay, we assume this all function is more than t. Okay, more than t is greater than equals to 0. Okay, more than t greater than equals to 0. ओके, t के वैल्यू 0 से ज़्यादा हम ले रहे हैं, इसीलिए ut 1 हो रहा है. ओके, सो हियर ut इक्वल्स टू 1. ओके, 5 कॉमन ले आओ, यहाँ पे 1 रहेगा माइनस e टू द पावर माइनस 20. ओके, दिस इज द एक्सप्रेशन फॉर योर. ओके, सो this is the current. So this is the answer of your question. So what is asking, what he was asking here, see here, I am again repeating. He is asking that initially the switch is at position number 1. Okay, so he said that find the current at expression for the current for position number 1. When the switch is at position number 1, before connecting to position number 1, is there any current flowing here? No, initially relaxed inductor. Okay, so initially relaxed inductor के लिए जो फॉर्मूला है v by r into 1 minus e to the power minus r by l t, put here, find the current. Okay, then what is he is asking, after t equals to 2.5 microsecond, this switch is moved from this position to this position. Okay, so before the switch is connected from this position to this position, what is the current flowing here initially? Okay, again, when the switch is moved from this position to this position, before connected to this position, the switch is connected here. Before the switch is connected to this position, the switch is connected here. What is the current flowing here? Will the initial current of this at this position or not? Yes. Okay, so what is the initial current here when the switch is moved to this position to this position? The current flowing here at the time of switching. When the switch is moved from this position to this position at t equals to 2.5 microsecond. Okay, here written. Okay, so what was the current here at t equals to 2.5 microsecond will be the initial current just before switching. Okay, so after that follow the procedure and find the ID. Follow the procedure and find the ID. Okay, this is the total one type of question. Okay, इसके बाद I will also do another question in another video. Okay, thank you.